Please excuse the quality of this video, or the lack of. Just wanted to get a video up quickly about how to transfer your files that you just created in your DJI drone. I tried to pull the SD card out, and unfortunately once I've inputted the SD card into my laptop, it said I need to format it. Of course, if you format it, you erase it. This doesn't always happen. I've been able to do it before, where I pulled the SD card out, and I have inserted it into my laptop here. If this does not work for you, we have a backup process to show you. All right. Okay, the card's in, and it says the directory name is invalid. And also, if I go and try to this PC, okay, if I go in here and I try and open it directly, it says this: you need to format. This doesn't always happen, but it's been happening most of the time. So instead of that, you can try another computer, but I'm just going to take the SD card out, insert it back into the drone. I guess it goes into the drone upside down. Okay, it's in now. Now my USB cable is in my laptop USB slot, and now I'm going to turn on the drone before I insert this USB mini into the drone. I think this will work on other earlier models, but this is the DJI Mini 3, not the Pro. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on, which you press once and then press again and hold it down. Once you get these lights come on, now you can plug in. Okay, we're plugged in. USB drive window pops up. There's a problem with this drive. Scan now. This is our old message. We're going to get rid of that. Okay, so you can click on that window when it comes up, pops up, or just go to this PC, hit on USB drive. It's not going to have a label. It's just going to say USB drive, and in this case it's a D drive that wasn't there before. I plugged in the drone. Click on D drive, click on DCIM 100 and media, and there are my two files. Now I'll just copy those and paste them into, well, I might just go ahead and X or cut them, but instead I'd rather copy them just to make sure I don't lose them. And now they're copied. And now we'll go ahead and paste them. I'm just going to put all my footage into drone. After I verify that my videos are there, then I'll go in and delete them, clean off the card so I can put new videos on. And then after you finish transferring them, just go ahead and disconnect and turn off your drone. I hope this has been helpful. And again, excuse the video quality. Thank you. Please subscribe. And we do have several channels. This video is going to be on American Northwest Magazine and also American Northwest Aviation YouTube channels, where we have lots of aviation videos having to do with learning to fly using Microsoft Flight Sim 2020, and much stuff about drones as well as others. And of course, you'll see these videos also on American Northwest Magazine in some version, because that is our variety channel. Please subscribe to both. Please like and click on the notification bell and comment on where you're watching from and what kind of videos you'd like to see. My goodness. There we go. While we're here, you can come to this website, American Northwest Aviation, which is the website for American Northwest Aviation YouTube channel. You can either go to one of the videos and click on the description link that'll take you here. We're a startup aviation company right now, mostly dealing with YouTube videos and instruction, but we also do several other things in the aviation business. I'm not going to edit this video, just want to get it up, so please excuse the quality, and thank you for watching.